Hello everyone, I am Tarunwal Reddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 36 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud. In the day 36 task, we are going to create a application load balancer to an EC2 instance, and also we deploy a Nginx web server on the EC2 instance. By using the DNS of the application load balancer, we are going to access the Nginx web server. And here is the task. We have to create a security group, and also we have to open the port of 80, and we have to create a EC2 instance. By using the user data script, we have to install the Nginx web server, and also we have to start the service of the Nginx web server. After that, we have to create a application load balancer, and also we have to set up the application load balancer to the EC2 instance by creating the target group. We have to attach the same security group that we had created before to the application load balancer, and in the final we are able to access the Nginx web server by using the ALB DNS. Try to log in using the console URL. Search EC2. Copy the name of the EC2 instance. Click on launch instance. Provide the name. Select the AMI of Ubuntu. Instance type T2 micro. Key pair. Proceed without a key pair. Click on network settings. Provide the security group name. DevOps SG. Open the port of 80. HTTP. Source type anywhere. Now click on advanced details. Provide the script cbang /bin /blast sudo apt update ny sudo apt install nginx sudo systemctl enable nginx sudo systemctl start nginx. Click on launch instance. Scroll down and under the load balancing, click on load balancers. Create load balancer. Now the load balancer type should be application load balancer. Click on create. Copy the name of the load balancer, DevOps ALB. That should be internet facing. Provide the availability zones, and we have to choose minimum of 2 availability zones. I'm choosing US 1A and 1B. Select the security group DevOps SG. Create a target group. Copy the target group name DevOps TZ. Target type instances. Provide the name. Click on next. Select the DevOps EC2 instance and click on including as pending below. Click on next. Create target group. This was done. Refresh the target groups and select the DevOps TZ. Click on create load balancer. The load balancer was created successfully. To access the DNS of the ALB, we have to wait the status. We have to wait until the status becomes active. Before that, we can also check the Nginx web server by using the public IP of the EC2 instance, and we can get the response by using the public IP. Wait until the status becomes active, then we can access the Nginx web server by using this DNS ALB. And here is the main thing: security group adjustments. Make appropriate changes in the default security group attached to the ALB if necessary. Eventually, the Nginx web server run under DevOps EC2 instance must be accessible using the ALB DNS. Now the status of the ALB was active. Copy the DNS name and we are able to get the response by using the application load balancer DNS also. Let's check the task. And we are successfully complete this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.